Hey y'all, I'm Teresa, and today I'll be showing you guys my gold point submission for the NBody simulation project. I was actually inspired by my desktop, which has a similar space theme as the original simulation, as you guys can see. I also have some folders featuring some cute characters such as Gudetama, Pusheen, BT21 characters, and some Sanrio characters. In my new universe, I decided to use Sanrio characters. Okay, so now I'll be running my NBody Extreme version using the Sanrio universe I created. Here we have a new pink space theme to match Sanrio's cutesy aesthetic. Hello Kitty is at the center of the universe as a sun, and we also have some Kuromis and some My Melodies just vibing in space, orbiting around Hello Kitty. One of the new features in my NBody Extreme version is that it supports elastic collisions. As we're about to see, these two Kuromis will be colliding and change velocity and acceleration, causing them to bounce off of each other. However, there is a small margin in which the center, aka position, of each character collides with the center of another character to cause a collision, so some overlap of the images won't cause a collision. The other feature that I introduced actually disobeys the law of conservation of mass, which balances out the rules followed by the support of elastic collisions and gravitational pull. This feature allows me to add stars by tapping on my trackpad as well. In this case, we have some more Sanrio characters, the twin stars Lala and Kiki, which alternate with each click for some extra fun. They all have an initial positive upwards velocity, which changes as they get closer to the other characters. I can actually create a new star underneath the sun, and when they collide, the star just flies off screen, which makes sense because its own initial velocity, in addition to the gravitational pull of our Hello Kitty, actually causes a greater reaction after the collision. Whereas if we make a new star on the side, it won't react as strongly as before and may start to orbit Hello Kitty. I guess that's another rule we're following. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. I can also drag my mouse to create a bunch of twin stars and make everything just go crazy. X Games mode and everything. As you can see, there are collisions happening, sending Lala and Kiki all over the place and flying off screen. I implemented the collisions by introducing two new methods in the Body Extreme class, one that detects collisions and another that actually updates the acceleration, velocity, and position of the characters after a collision, which actually causes the characters to bounce off of each other. The second method calculates the force using the mass and velocities of each character to update the velocities of each corresponding character. To be able to add the twin stars, I used the mouse methods in the standard draw class to track mouse interaction and placement to draw additional stars. The dragging occurs as a result of the small time intervals, dt, with each drag spanning multiple DTs, whereas tap on my trackpad only makes one new star, like this. And to keep the stars from disappearing after each click, I added them to our array of characters to keep them on the screen while continuously updating their position, velocity, and acceleration based on the gravitational pull of the characters around it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my Sanrio universe with collisions and new stars. I enjoyed adding these new features and especially changing the theme of the simulation, even though it took me kind of forever. See ya!